Welcome back to our channel. Today, question 16 is about circuits. First of all, look at the question. 2 ohm, 4 ohm. They are in the diagram. And then a negligible internal resistance. Yeah, no need to add anything here. But one thing is missing. Okay, the current, the ammeter reading is 1A. So this is 1A. So remember, mark the data from the verbal description on the diagram. So here is it. So we talk about ask about what's the current passing through the 2 ohm resistor to mark it as I. By this visualization, you will know the question is about parallel circuit should have the same voltage. So first of all, find this voltage V equals IR. So 1 times 4 4V. And then remember parallel circuits, so the parallel component down there also 4V. So V equals IR, 4 equals 2 times I. Yeah, so what is the result? Look at the option on the right. Yes, you got it. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so the answer is C. Well done. Remember to like and subscribe our channel. It's a big support to us. Thank you.